just got the K4 back from the body shop, and it's not working out too well for me here. The adaptive cruise control is not working. It's acting very weird. It's malfunctioning. On the test here, we're going to go and see what it does here. Is when I want to set it. Say we're going to 80 miles an hour, I'm going to set it for 79. And as you see, it does not see a car in front of me, but what the hell is in front of me? A car. So let's see if it eventually sees it. I don't see it now. Oh, not coming up, but there's a car right there. It does not see it. That's a big malfunction. And sometimes randomly it'll pop up a car for no reason at all. Change the distances a little bit, reset it. Don't see a car. Don't see a car on there. Change the distances to distance 4. Let's go back to our car over here on the right. Going 66 miles an hour here. See if it'll see it. It doesn't see it on the radar yet. We'll increase the speed. And again, she does not see that car ahead of us. See you later, car. Now randomly there's a car up ahead. No car. There was a car on the screen. Yeah, let's go behind this tractor trailer here. Now if I set it at the lower speeds, it'll catch it just fine. There we go, set it at 64. Does not see that giant tractor trailer in front of us. What the heck is going on here? Not see that giant tractor trailer. How does it not see that giant tractor trailer? I bet you if I speed up, that thing is going to try to catch that tractor trailer. Not see it on the screen at all. This adaptive cruise control has failed. And I'm blaming it on the body shop. They should have fixed that. Didn't see it at all. That would have caused an accident. We go to see this car coming up. Not at all. Does not see the car. Let's try to set it at a lower speed behind that car. Watch what happens. Yeah, it ain't seen it at all. $59 miles an hour. Does not see the car ahead of me. Does not see the car. The car is obviously right there. Oh, I finally seen a car. Seen this one though. Whoa. Set. We're going. Does not see the car directly ahead of me. Not seeing it. Oh, I finally saw it, but it ain't fucking doing shit.